Good afternoon, River Bluff Gators. This video is to help you understand Part 3 of the technology competency requirements for this school year. The third part of the TTCA requirements is centered around technology lessons and is by far the most time-consuming piece of the three pieces for the technology requirements. This year, teachers will have a choice between two options for the Part 3 technology lessons piece of the requirements. The first option is to create a lesson plan with the involvement of the TIS using our district learning design tool. Using this learning design tool, the teacher, with the involvement of the TIS, will design either a daily lesson or a lesson that is part of a unit. The design of the plan can be done collaboratively with other teachers, but each teacher must implement the lesson in his or her class and complete a unique reflection on the effectiveness of the lesson. This lesson also needs to integrate technology. A copy of the instructions for completing this learning design tool, as well as a copy of the learning design tool template, will be provided by your TIS. The second option for completing Part 3 of the technology requirements is a technology lesson review. With the involvement of the TIS, teachers will work with a group of 2 or 3 other teachers. Each teacher in the group must complete a technology-infused lesson, and each teacher must observe the other teacher or teachers in the group. The observing teachers will use the Technology Integration Matrix Observation tool that can be found in the same location where you took your Technology Uses and Perceptions survey. Once you are in this tool, you'll be able to click where it says New Observation, select the school, find the teacher for whom you are observing, and you would click Begin Observation. At this point, you can either do a question-based or a matrix-based observation. The TIS will provide further instruction on the use of this tool if this is the option that you choose to take. After the observations, the TIS and teachers will take a few minutes to debrief, focusing on feedback for teacher learning and growth. The observed teacher will then complete a brief reflection form on the effectiveness of the process and what he or she learned. Regardless of the option that you choose for completion of Part 3, you will complete the technology lesson self-reflection form that you can see here. This is the form that will be used to reflect on the lesson that you designed using the learning design tool, or on the process of observing and being observed for a technology-infused lesson. One recommendation for those that are going to be doing the observation would be to video the lesson. That will allow observers to review the lesson at a time that would be more convenient if scheduling is a difficulty.